Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are doing a peachy summer look. This is something that you can wear every day, whether you're going to work, out at night, wherever you're going. This is something that's wearable, I think, for every woman, but you can always tweak it to fit you and your liking. You can always tweak it. But this is just something neutral. This is something that I like to do most of the time, like every day, because I like to wear color. I like to wear bright colors sometimes too, but not all the time. And I'm pretty sure we can all agree with that we don't all want to go boom every single day. We just don't. And sometimes we don't even have time to do it. So we just want to throw something on that's very elegant, that's very peachy, summery, but at the same time neutral, but will get somebody's attention. I'm pretty sure we can all agree with that. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you just how to do that. My eyebrows and my face are already done in this tutorial, mostly because all my looks are focused on the eyes, especially because my channel is focused on women who have trouble with the eyes, especially if your eyes are uneven and are bigger like mine are. This channel is for you. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to go right on in with the eyes. My eyebrows and my face are done, as well as my eyelids are primed. So we're just going to go right on in with the eyeshadows. I am using the Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette. They have some really pretty colors in here, especially the shimmer ones. So these are the colors that we are going to be using today. So I'm just going to go right on in with a BH Cosmetics blending brush. And we're going to go right on in with this brown shade here. And we're going to go right on into the crease. So my face and my eyebrows are done simply for the fact because my videos are mostly on the eyes because my eyes are uneven, and these are really videos to help women who have uneven eyes. So that's why you'll see me with my face and my eyebrows done. I will eventually do a video with with everything, but for now we're just gonna do the eyes. Alright, that's good. We're gonna go right on in with this orange shade here. That's also going into the crease. We're just going to blend that in. This is a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. We're just going to go ahead and blend that orange shade right on in with that brown. You want to be careful with this because it is really pigmented. So you don't want to go too crazy. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take another brush, and we're going to go right out into the list. The shimmer shades, this is a BH Cosmetics brush. This is one of their newer brushes. And I'm actually going to spray it just a little bit so those shimmer colors are actually a little bit more pigmented. I'm sorry. This is the Pearlessence Rose Water, the Hydrating Face Mist. I got this from TJ Maxx, and I believe it was like $7. So if you're ever like in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, check out their cosmetic section because sometimes they have these things in there and they're pretty good. So don't sleep on them. Next, I'm going in with this peachy shade right here. Hydrate Place. We're going to pack that on the lid. And this look is beautiful too because it's like a everyday neutral summer glam that you can wear to school, that you can wear to work, and it would not be too much for you. Especially for my girls who just like neutral looks but still want to look glammed out. This is actually perfect for you. So next I'm going into this bottom color right here. And we're going to go ahead and also pack that right on top. Okay, now I'm just going to take those same colors that I used in my crease on my lid, and I'm going to run them right under the lash line. Boom. Now my eyes are done. We're going to go ahead and throw on some mascara real fast. I went ahead and tossed on my winged eyeliner off camera. If you want to know how I do my winged eyeliner, go check out my last video. I'll show you how I show you in that video how I apply my winged eyeliner on an everyday basis, and you'll get a more in depth on how I do that. So we're just going to go ahead and toss on some mascara real quick. I go ahead and I curl my eyelashes. Now I'm one of those girls, I rarely, like really rarely wear falsies, so I wouldn't count on me wearing any in most of my videos, just because I have long eyelashes already. Alright, those are the eyes. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up the face. I'm actually going in with my highlighter palette. This is the Colourpop In.Nude.Endo palette. And so I'm going to use this. I'm actually going in with this gold shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and toss that on my cheekbones. And on my cupid's bow, on my nose, just basically everywhere I want to glow. And I'm actually gonna also go ahead and take some of this into my brow bone a little bit. I forgot about the brow bone. Alright, and now we're going to move on to the lips. I am taking the Sephora lip gloss. And this is in the color 01, made in Italy. It looks like this. I actually discovered this not too long ago and I absolutely love this stuff. I have two of them. I have this color and then there's one more and it's like a nudish color. Has a little bit more of a tint to it. But I use these like all the time. I carry them in my purse. I have some here in my little makeup vanity. I love these. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss some on. We're keeping this look real neutral. And if you're feeling really extra, if you're wearing a shirt like me where you have the one shoulder out, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that same highlighter shade I used, that one right there in the middle. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight that collarbone. And just a little bit on my shoulder. This is if like you're going out somewhere and you want to look a little more dewy. Just go ahead and pop some highlighter on your shoulder, honey, and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please try it out. Let me know down in the comments below if you like it. If you can leave me a comment telling me that you switched something to make it fit you. All the products that I used will be down below in the DB, so please check that out. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.